Braz, benza mokhela umjiji. Benza kwenza sure if uyamluza or uyakuluza.
Hayibo. Soze mina ndimyeke umuntu wami ngenxa yakho.
Okay.
Thini? Ndimyeke.
Okay. Because siyathandana nje na.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asipet Qachi and this is
Ngusiphosethu Solane lo, ubhuti omkhulu.
So today we need to voice about the man and deny mic.
Oh, sawulala phandle mos. Okay.
So today we are doing a different video, you know. So I have like 15 questions here which I wrote down. So I'm gonna ask him. Le game ne ikamala it's what would you do if I we just want to see his honest reaction, you know. You have to be honest.
I say opinions only, so
Honest. No.
Okay.
No. I have 15 questions. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Another questions. Okay.
Don't look. In fact, my find it.
Okay.
Okay. The first one. What would you do if I bought if I brought a boyfriend home unexpectedly?
So means go to I'll be shocked. Yeah. But imagine.
But I'm welcome actually.
Depends.
Yeah, wait and further look.
No.
Depends on what?
On who he is.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. The second one. What would you do if I found out What would you do if you found out I'm dating someone you don't like?
Yo, Braz, benza mokhela umjiji. Benza kwenza sure if uyamluza or uyakuluza.
Hayibo. Soze mina ndimyeke umuntu wami ngenxa yakho.
Okay.
Thini? Ndimyeke.
Okay.
The third one is what would you do? What would you do if my boyfriend asked you for advice about me?
Bro code. I'm gonna be offended. Bro code. If umchita siyavana, then obvious. Yeah. But if asivani, whoa, too late.
Late, Tata. Another question is, what would you do if I come home crying about a boy?
Yo. Yeah, ne.
Sombet.
December ngoku. Obvious ngizawufuna ukuba kwenzeke ntoni, then I'll take it from there.
So buza fika ubethe la mntu anolila nje aniphambani.
No.
Fanele ufike wena ubethe cha uzobuza after ke nje.
Okay.
Yeah. Another one is, what would you do if you caught me sneaking out at night?
Lo mjita andimthandi, then when you're sneaking out ndingakubhambisela mntase, ndingakubhambisa phofu ndingakubhambisela. Obvious.
Hayibo.
But let me be honest, ngakuyeka because age at least yakuvumela. Yeah.
Guys, there's no need of sneaking out. Ndiphuma ngomnyango andichazi noba ndiyaphi, ndiyahamba qha. If kubethe u10 ngibuya andibuyi.
Okay.
And you what would you do if I asked you to cover for me? Like, ndifuna uphuma ke ngoku. Siye kumfana.
Ngendiyenze loo nto mna brother. Uyaziphumela, uyazingenela.
Kaloku sihleli nabantu ke ngoku yabona nefamily. Ndithi hayibo uzothi wena nguwe kaloku kufanele
nditheni it depends on who the guy is. So
ngoku loba uzanivumela
ungabikho offended.
Lo buhlene
At least
lowa
beard. Yo, at least ngazama ukumitha halfway.
no coach.
Hayi, angalala phandle.
Hayi, because ngumntu right. Because ngumntu right.
Okay. Serious ne? Yeah. Ndakwenzela shame ulayini nyani.
Lo wawo kutheni ngamthandi?
No.
Lo wawo belweni yesikole.
It's a long story.
Umagolide.
Okay. Miyeke man, miyeke. Next.
Okay. What would you do if I got into a fight? Ufike sendisilwa ke ngoku. Ufika wena wenzani?
Ulwana nabani?
Andiyazi, masithi nalo ntombazana.
Ulwana nentombazana.
Kanye nomfana.
Hayi kuba ngumfana, obvious.
Xa intombazana zasinqanda.
Yeah. Kanye nginqande ezawe ndikuthathe ndikubeke ngaphezulu.
Wena. Right le ndlela yakho.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay.
And umtyhale yena okanye umtripe nje.
Kubeke
Sorry.
ngaphezulu.
Qabu unzise mna ndithi. Ncindi, yaba?
So it depends.
Yaba?
Okay.
Hayi ke ndizayolwa ngomso.
Wow.
And you think, what would you do if I suddenly became famous? Uvuke ngomso. Sendi famous, sendivele TV. Keep billboards.
Yho, ndingavele ndithathe ivideo ngoku. Ndithi ngowasekhaya.
I was there.
Yho, lo mntu lo.
From the beginning.
Okay.
Okay, and ndiyakuva. And you think, what would you do if someone tried to fight me in front of you?
So react. Simple.
And uba yi-girl. Uzothi ngizambetha. Phofa umbethi.
Yebo.
Azokwazi umbetha.
Good. Then uba ngumjita enza react.
Siyabangena ngamancindi siyabangena. Okay, this is the third question. What would you do if I embarrassed you in public? Mhlambi ndilile andisenxele andisalile.
Ndingagxothwa lana.
Ingabuya kaloku.
Okay.
Ndingabuya thini? Ucela ntoni?
Hayi bo.
Ndingakhali ngoku.
Spoil the vibe. Come on.
Mandithi ndiyamkhumbula.
Oh, and imagine ke ngoku gcwele abantu. Hayi bo, come on mfondini.
Sendihleli phantsi plat.
Wo?
Ndiyamkhumbula guys.
And ingathi izinto ozenzayo ezo yazi.
Mna.
But ke we listen, we don't judge.
Mna into endiyenza ndithile. Ndiyamthanda guys.
Okay.
And you understand?
Yo. Hey.
Hey, what would you do if I asked you to cover for me?
I thought I've answered that.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
But I wouldn't cover for you.
Yeah, but it's fine.
Did you become offended, bro? Nothing personal.
I get you.
Okay.
What would you do if I told you that I don't like your girlfriend?
I
like this question.
Since
it's andimfuni ke le ntombazana.
Okay, ke ngokutsho ngafundini. Le way le. Hi guys. Ninganjudge ne? Okay, first I keep up the way. I kinyam. Miyabo? Obvious. Namakhona amajita engawathandiyo for wena. But I wouldn't do it so you know andimthanda umjita for me. So mntase if ikhlalisa kakubi lala ngesisu because siyathandana nje na.
Yeah.
Okay.
What if ndiyabona uba hayibo ayingomntu right for wena lo mntu?
Then if I go right, obvious. But awuzuba at least 3 people abanixela loo nto. But ube ungokuqala ndiqonda ubaby yandonwabisa lo undichithela ivibe.
Andithi akimbatla akimrati umzitsanyeni. Enye ke ithi, what would you do if I introduced a boyfriend who is older than you?
Whoa! Oh malume. Hakulate ngoku mfondini. Yeah.
Mdala kunawe.
But okay, period. Hey. Yabo le nto yami ungabi nantshebe guys.
Umdala kunawe le.
But ke I listen, I don't judge. Central.
Yeah. And he's a nice guy, ne?
No, and Mars, I thought so. But what if Mumbulale Lamjit?
Akanibulelanga ma.
Okay.
I mean, I would have been dead a long time. But here I am. But abuyisiza zalam.
Uyayibo? Kalapha. Toxic.
Abuyisiza zalam.
Toxic. Okay?
Hey. Okay. This is the second last. What would you do if what would you do if you caught my boyfriend cheating?
Whoa. Kuphela bro code. I take a picture. Ndiyamxelela uba sibali ndiyokuxela.
Yes.
Simple as that. But ke uzanthatha as like bitches nigga obvious. I know.
Yabo. So what about loo nto cingelani na?
But ke nyani bro code sometimes.
Ayisebenzi.
Ne?
Iyabhetha.
Yeah.
Fanele cingele mna. Uthi
Mntasekhaya.
andiserious mna ndiyamposta.
Hey, uyayibona ke lo we?
Yebo.
Okay.
Lento ndingabapost.
Okay.
Soze nibazi.
Wow, anonymous.
Soze.
Okay. Okay.
This is the last question. What would you do? Oh, what do you like most about our cousin relationship?
Let me be honest, andinithandi nonke man guys. Okay, one thing ne, we are all neutral. Ne, we all have
Now,
differences.
relationship, yeah.
Me and you,
What do you like
the most,
Yeah.
is that we are always on the same level, same
Yeah.
vibe.
We are just connecting you guys.
Yeah.
Like we get each other. We love each other. We do everything together. Come so
Whoa. And so okay. That's hence I say andikuthandi bro. Toxic.
Izolo. Maningazibali into zayizolo.
Okay.
Maningazibali.
That was the last question. Ne?
That was
Guys, please subscribe and comment.
please guys, and go and watch my videos betunana. I don't know what to say actually. But please do like, subscribe and comment. Ikhona into engizayithetha yini? Let me think.
A few moments later.
Too much of a thing.
Ikhona into engizayithetha.
6.5 hours later.
I want. Sizawulala phandle ngoDisemba ngoku late asiphe.
Kulate ndizasuke ndiyichaze le nto on my next video, but please guys subscribe. I love you all. Please into bendifuna uyithetha ne. Please guys tell me what kind of videos do you want, you know? Because I'm a vlogger, yabo. So I'm trying to ndingene nakwezinye. Pranks andikayicingi because
They are still coming. Nomdanso
prank na I feel
madoda.
like ndingakubona xa mprankayo, so
Whoa. Says a coward.
yes.
Okay.
Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video because I enjoyed shooting it. Did you enjoy? Hope you enjoy ngoba uhleli nami.
Can't complain.
Akana choice. Fanele
Okay.
enjoy.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
That's family vibe.